y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just showing you guys my old little canvas head that I have. This is how I make my wigs. I use this big block canvas head. You can find these big heads on Amazon. I got mine for Amazon. A lot of people say use the ones from the beauty supply store, but I just don't find those helpful, and those are not shaped to your real size head. So I just get mine for, it's like $39, I think $99 or something like that on Amazon, and I have all sizes because I make wigs. So I'm just showing you guys how I put my cap on this canvas head. Now this cap is a stretchy mesh, I believe, dome cap, if I'm not mistaken. It stretches really well. It will fit well on any size head, but this is the wig cap that I'm using. I do use two different kinds, but I'm just showing you the one that I'm using for this wig. Now, if you guys seen in my last video, you will see that I received the wrong closure. I was supposed to receive a frontal, and I have yet to get a response from them, which is really irritating me. So I just went ahead and made a wig, and I'm just selling this wig. So I'm just showing you guys pretty much on how I make my wigs and how I'm going to apply this closure. So what I normally do is size it up with the cap, and then I will stick my pins. I have some little T-pins, or however you pronounce those little things. I have those, and I'm sticking it right in there, and then once I pull the hair up, I will go ahead and position it to the back on where I'm going to sew it down, and then I will start sewing. Alright, so I didn't show the part on how I tie my knot in the needle and thread, but that'll be a separate video. I wanted to get straight to the point. So the closure is already sewn down. I wanted to show you guys the main part on how you put it through the weft and put it through the cap. So I was kind of measuring out where I want the track to start and end. So it's gonna be a little different because, like I said, I'm working with a closure, which is different than working with a frontal. So you have to position the hair a certain type of way. So I would kind of go from the nape of the head, which is more so in the back, but closer to like the ear. So you kind of just have to measure, you know, on how the head is, on how you want your hair to be positioned on the cap, if that makes sense. So you would just see me stick the needle through the hair, through the cap, and do it that way. I'm taking my pins because they're really helpful. If you have those, make sure you use those, because those are really helpful throughout the entire process.
Is my name. Is my name.
From, you know, kind of like ear to ear, or not really ear to ear. With that first track, I just folded the hair over and then started to sew again. So you will see me do that in the entire process. Also, once I'm sewing, to have more a secure feel, or, you know, for your wig to be more secure, for your hair, your track to be more secure, you will see me, like how you're seeing me on the video, just putting some knots in the thread as I go, You'll see me wrap it around the needle about 2 or 3 times, and then I would just keep going. And then I would take the pin out right here, and then I would just fold the hair over, and then just keep having a repeated step. So once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Once you get a nice feel on how you're doing the wig, it's fairly easy. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I do. I am not gonna talk throughout the whole entire video. I want you guys to enjoy the music, enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit, or talk to y'all in a little bit.
Mornice is my name. Mornice is my name.
So as you can see at the beginning of the video, the closure was very dense and terrible. So I had to make a part. I created this part myself. I just plucked it and created a part. So I'm just giving you guys a little twirl. I know I'm out of focus. I'm so sorry. But look at this hair though. Like, it's so nice. It have a nice luster feel to it. It feels natural. It feels really soft. I did not get too much shedding with this hair. I wanted to give you guys an up close look of the hair and the part and everything like that. I did throw some water on here, so as you can see, I fast forward the video. As you can just see me spraying some water on the hair because, you know, I'm not too familiar with body wave hair, and I was told if you just put some water on that thing, the pattern will go right back, which it did. So as you can see, this is the finished look, you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions down below, just pin them down below, and I will get back with you. I love you guys, and I will get with you on the next video. Bye.